This is Cregneash, one of the last villages in the Isle of Man to retain its traditional crofting way of life, and also a small community of traditional speakers of the Manx language. Ned Madrill, the last traditional native speaker of the Manx language, spent most of his retirement here between the 1930s and 1974. The village had also been the home of Ned Farraher, a native speaker who wrote books in Manx, and Harry Kelly, who left his house to the Manx national heritage in 1935, and thus allowed the whole village to become the amazing outdoor folk museum that it is today. You can wander around a whole variety of different houses, furnished as they would have been in different periods, and see and hear about the different traditional crafts, from spinning to blacksmithing. You can have a look inside the houses where Harry Kelly, Ned Farraher and Ned Madrill lived. Their legacy today is not just this folk museum, but the fact that over 2,000 people speak the Manx language. That's over 2% of the population of the Isle of Man. And there's a Manx language primary school and preschool playgroups, Mwynderveka. On the day we visited Cregneash, we also were really lucky to be able to visit an old watermill a few miles away at Kentron, a real treat. A few days later, we also went to the amazing Laxey Wheel and Mine.